What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we took delivery of our brand new build. It is a 2017 Nissan NV 200 that I am going to be rebuilding for my brother-in-law. He has a heating and air company and he needs another service vehicle out there. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. I do have a charger on it. The battery is completely shot because the doors right over here are open and there was a dome light in there that was on. But for now, let me go ahead and flip the camera around and we'll check it out. This thing did come from Ohio, and check out how filthy the motor is, but it's only got 21,000 miles. It is a 2017, like I said before. And let's get to the main damage. So this side right here looks all good, and then right here is where most of the impact was. So we do have to replace both of these doors. Then we have to straighten out this fender. I'm not going to replace the skin. I think we can weld a bracket on there, pull all this out, and then body filler will take care of all that. Other than that, everything looks okay. This thing, like I said, did come from Ohio, so it does have a little bit of rust, but it is a 2017 with only 21,000 miles. But check out how small those wheels are. Man, what are those, like 15s or 14s? Those look really tiny. Inside, it looks pretty decent. It's kind of filthy, and I did find a few cigarettes in here, but there's no burn marks in the seats or anything like that. It doesn't have any kind of shelves or anything like that, or this cage right over here, which kind of sucks. It also doesn't have a Navi, but we got a super good deal on this thing. So I was kind of on the fence about recording this build, but since this is going to take some time away from my day, I do want to show you guys and keep you guys updated and not leave you guys hanging. So it does have some front impact as well. We can get this damage out right here on this bumper, and we are going to replace this headlight, the grill, and probably the centerpiece right over here. But other than that, most of the impact is in the back. So the airbags are all good. None of those deployed in the seats or in the roof, as well as the passenger side. So that's going to save us a little bit of money there and a little headache from having to reset all the airbags and SRS modules. But inside, it looks pretty clean. I think this one right here was used for like charter or something, because there's a bunch of antennas and all these little things right over here, whatever those are called. Let me know down in the comments. So I am going to go ahead and make a trip to the junkyard, see if he's got any parts for this, and then I need to get some other miscellaneous things for the other builds. I'll keep you guys posted on that, but check it out. All right, guys, so we have made it here to the junkyard at Bohannon's, and I see a few of the Ford Transits. He said he had a Nissan NV somewhere out here, but I just can't seem to find it. He's got another work van over there, but check this out, man. If we would have got a Ford, I've already found one door right over here. That's in pretty good shape, but that's not gonna work, so I'm gonna keep looking around and I'll keep you guys updated, man. What is this right here? A 124 Spider Fiat? Never heard of that. Let's keep moving. I also need to get a few more things for our Dodge Ram, but no luck on that. Here's a clean Jeep right over here. If anybody needs some parts or any antifreeze, I got you. But let's keep walking around. Let's see. Here's another work van right over here. Man, I could have swore he said it was somewhere around this side, but maybe he just confused it with the Ford. I don't know. Here's another Sentra. I need some parts for that. I actually need one of those steel wheels right over there. I'm gonna come scoop that up tomorrow. I didn't really bring any tools out here. I just want to see what he's got. Let's check this out. Here's another Transit, but that's probably a 2500. And then he's got a smaller work van right over here. Cargo bus, yeah, it's got the seats in it. Nothing that we can use on that. Let's keep moving around. That's what I kind of hate about this junkyard. Nothing's labeled. You got to talk to the loader, honestly, to find any of the vehicles. The loader knows where most of those are at. Let me check this Sentra out real quick. My bumper has got on back order for like 2 months now, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cop another one so I can get that car done and sold. Seems like they got more of the Ford Transits than the Nissans. Ah, this is a tight squeeze. This is what I like to do, just get right over that, put myself in 4x4. Well, yeah, let's just keep walking around. Man, I've seen this Ford F-250 here such a long time. Man, such a waste to get those wheels all tore apart like they did. Dang, those are fat tires. Look how wide they are. What size are these? Let's see, 37s. I kind of like that style right there. Heck yeah. What is this? This is a Ford. Dang, seems like all the doors are taken off on the vans, man. That sucks. I'm gonna have to get them shipped from somewhere else, which is not a big deal, but I'd much rather find those local. I cleaned it up a little bit. It's been a minute since I was over here. As you guys remember, I took those side steps off the Ford right over here. I don't even see that thing anymore. See, here's another Ford Transit. I mean, this thing is a 2500, but check those out. He's got the doors and everything like that. I guess it's just my luck, man. We had to get the NV200. Oh, here's the Ford that we took the side steps off. It's right over here. This guy is always moving cars around. But yeah, let's go back to the Jeep section, which is right over here, and find out what they got. See if I can use any of these scrap parts. I get them for dirt cheap anyways, so not a big deal. Boom, motor's gone on this one. That's a TJ or a JK, which is exactly what we're running. Here's the Nissan Sentra that we took the frame rail off of. But yeah, let's see if any of these motors are still in here. Nothing there. Man, he's had this Jeep for a while, man. It's completely burnt. I don't see what he's saving. I guess that quarter panel and that other side quarter panel, but there's not much left on that. It's got a nice door right over here with the chrome mirror. If you're interested, hit him up. Let's see. Let's go this way. He did have to expand his lot to the other side, so I just have to cross the road and get over that fence. I'm gonna run down and check that yard out real quick, see if I come across anything that I could use. Yeah, I wish he was a little bit more organized with his vehicles, man. They're just all over the place. I can't even get out of this maze right here. Here we go. This is how close he has to park the vehicles and cram. Look at this. I can't even get through here. What the heck? Let's just go this way right here. Guess I'm just gonna hop over this car right here and then climb on this bumper. Boom, we made it out. Can you guys guess what this blue car is? I think it's a Sentra just from looking at it. Airbags deployed. I don't know, that cluster looks kind of weird. Yeah, I still can't find that other van that he was talking about. I really want to find out if he's got those doors, or if I just got to place an order from LKQ and get those shipped over here. It'd be nice to find him local though. I wonder if the driver or passenger made it out alive, or if they just threw all this on there to make it look worse. Yeah, this thing is demolished, man. There's no rebuilding that. I like the struts in the door. Hey,
You move that door now and come back out and dig up, blame in the floor.
I don't know. You think this guy made it out alive? Man, I didn't see any Nissans out there. Or I seen one, but the doors were already off. But I did see a black Ford Transit, like the style that I'm looking for. But Tim was saying it was black and white. Alright, man, take it easy. Well, What's that?
He died and lost his
At the same time.
Be hell with it.
Yeah. Hey, I'd rather die like that than be hurting, you know what I mean? Right at the crash. That is crazy, man. Alright guys, so no luck on finding any parts for the Nissan NV. I am going to keep checking though. He should be getting more vehicles here very soon. But I'm probably just going to have to order those from like LKQ or something like that. Not sure what's going on. Buenos dias. I'm not sure what I just said there, but I think that's good morning. And it's like afternoon. But anyways, yeah, we're just gonna have to check back and I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll catch you guys back at the house.